when we are trying to do these things, it is very important to understand that that what are the actually the benefits of moving into global markets. So this thing should be in your mind, that what are the benefits and why it is important for you to move into the international markets, global markets, on the digital platform in this borderless world. The kind of opportunities which exist, what kind of opportunities exist. So that sensitivity has to be there with you. So one of the important area to understand as beneficial for moving into a global market is the capacity utilization of the goods and services which you are offering. Many goods and services are produced on a mass scale and involves large initial investments. So in order to break even, you need that kind of markets which may not be available domestically. So by by expanding into international markets, global markets, you benefit from the very vast and wide market, infinite market kind of thing. So this is one of the major benefit of moving into global markets. And then the you have to understand the product life cycles of the products and services which you are offering. So depending on that what stage of product life cycle your product or goods are there in your domestic market, whether they are in the introduction stage, growth stage, or maturity stage, or decline stage. So if you can introduce your products at the right time in the international market, you can extend the product life cycle. It is also called international product life cycle strategy, wherein you extend the PLC of the goods or services which you are offering to the market. And then, of course, you may be having the products and services which are seasonal in nature, and by expanding into international market, you are basically filling the seasonal sales and demand cycle. So you are managing those seasonal sales and demand cycle. Global markets can ensure you round the year sales, year-round sales. It is possible. So depending on how you manage it. And then very, very important thing is that it is possible that your products are coupled with certain kind of patents, copyrights, and some special know-how which is proprietary to you, to your company, and any similar capabilities and assets which you may have. And it is sellable in the international market in such a way that you can get some extra profits and extra sales. So for example, many pharmaceutical companies sell overseas their products using their patented products and using their technical know-how to increase their profits. So this is very common. And finally, by being in the global markets, especially in the digital space, you can improve the prospects of growth and expansion. So overseas markets bring innumerable number of unexpected benefits and opportunities to expand and grow due to its sheer size, very large size, and the very diverse nature of the international market. So when you are in the international market, when you are in the global market, your learning is continuous. Every day you are learning new things, you are getting new know-how, you are learning new processes, you are learning new types of customers. And then this learning cycle actually benefits your company and your products and services greatly. So which improves the company's prospects of further growth and further expansion. So these are some of the major benefits of going into global markets with your products and services.